Hey class, my name is Joshua Ho and I am a student at Ohlone College. Today I am going to be walking you through the process of embedding a video onto Canvas. This is something that you will need to be familiar with if your class has online discussion boards that require video responses. The first step is to obviously upload your video to YouTube, and you want to make sure that it has been set to either public or unlisted in terms of its visibility. I will now go to the discussion board and hit reply, which will open up the editor. Now, I have two options when it comes to adding YouTube videos here. The first option is to add it using its Embed Code. This option works for both public and unlisted videos. However, if your video is unlisted, then this is the only way you will be able to embed your video onto Canvas. To do this, I am going to select the Record/Upload Media tool, which looks like a YouTube icon with a musical symbol. I will then select Embed, after which it will ask for the Embed Code. I am then going to go to the video I would like to use to embed on the YouTube website. For demonstration purposes, I'll use a video created by Ohlone College. I'm going to click on Share and then Embed. This over here is the Embed Code. I am going to copy that and then paste it here. After that, I'm going to hit Submit and then post reply. My second option would be to just search up the video, and Canvas actually has a tool for doing that. However, this only works on videos that have been set to public. To access it, I am going to click on the Apps tool, which looks like an electric plug. Then I'm going to select YouTube. I will then search up the video. Once the video shows up in the results, I'm going to hit Embed and then Post Reply. And we are done. Now, some discussion boards may also require for you to post several video responses to your peers. To do that, you would go to the post that you would like to respond to and then click on Reply. After that, you would just follow the same steps for embedding the video as you would for your initial post. And that is how you embed a YouTube video onto Canvas. Thanks for watching.